Annyeong, hey y'all, it's Em, and I'm about to react to Soyou and Baekhyun's newest collaboration song, Rain. I love when Soyou does a collab with different male artists, and I enjoyed Baekhyun's duet with Suzy. Um, I'm excited for this. I haven't seen any teasers or heard any of the song music. Yeah, I can't speak. I haven't heard any of the music yet. But let's get to it, shall we? Soyou and Baekhyun. 3, 2, 1, rain. Mustache Films. It's gonna be sad, isn't it? It's very mellow and chill and relaxing. Really should look up the lyrics. There's voices. I remember when I first got into EXO, I wasn't a huge Baekhyun fan, and he's still not my favorite member, but I've come to really appreciate him and really like him, especially after his acting debut in Scarlet Heart. Yeah. Song's about. 잠도 못 자게 아직인가 봐 난 아직도 널 기다려 모든 건 영원할 수 없었어 우린 그렇게 After I watch the MV, I'm gonna look at the lyrics so I can understand, and then I'll talk to y'all about that. It's a really beautiful song. I don't know if the voices, I mean, the voices sound good together, but I don't know. I think it sounds better when like they sing not like together, but like when they sing like Soyou sings and Baekhyun sings. That sounds really pretty, but not like when, I don't know, just their voices like together in one sound. I don't know how they if they harmonized it that well, but I did honestly really enjoy the song. It's so pretty. I'm gonna look up the lyrics real quick, and then I'll be right with y'all. I looked up the lyrics, and it's a really, really sad song. It's about a couple that when they were together, they had this one really beautiful memory when it was raining, and then they've broken up now, and it's raining again, and they're thinking about the time when they were together, and it's really sad, but it's also really pretty and really beautiful. Support the artists. Definitely get this song, y'all. It's so beautiful. I really enjoy it. Anyway, thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Links down below. Bye, y'all.